That gives you a better view. And sorry, we were told that these flies bite. So, and it hurts supposedly. Get away from me. So I wasn't worried about the flies until the old guy told us that they bite and sting, considerably painful. I wouldn't consider that under a waterfall walk.
I know.
Although,
I hope we're not on the big trail.
this must, they've got a railing here on this one.
There has to be a way to get down low, I'm assuming.
I would think. Shit, you know, I didn't put facial sunscreen on.
You have a hat, don't you?
Yeah, I do. I'm gonna have to put that on.
I didn't see any other walkway down, like down below.
No, I haven't even seen a trail that goes a different way. But my assumption is, with a 2 to 3 hour walk, 7 kilometers,
Yeah.
we've got to start going down at some point to make it back the other way. Trees are nice. Yeah. It's gonna be a bunch of switchbacks based on all these people talking down there.
Oh, we're gonna wait.
Hello.
I don't know.
So this is walking under the waterfall. Now the question is,